Hello y'all, it's Set to Achieve. Welcome to another video. And actually I'm just sitting here my computer. I'm actually just checking out my Stanstore because I just literally just got a ping saying that somebody just purchased my Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle, one of my digital product that I sell, teaching you how to make money apart from a 9 to 5, includes the how to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income with your car. That has 72 different apps that are US based, so that you can get started catering food packages. It also teaches you how to run a middleman business. So I have the middleman business guide that's included in the package. Also, by the way, this is my bedroom, office, everything. I eat here, I do everything. So they have all my books I have there. So, you know, I'm always thinking of what is the next step ahead. So anyway, so I just got the ping and I was like, wow, I have to put out the video, because I think that we're limited, and what makes us limited is our mindset. Okay, we're not limited because we don't have the resources. We're just limited because we think that we can't make it apart from a 9 to 5, or apart from some career that is like literally killing us. Some people left some comments yesterday. I believe they were ladies that from my video that went viral. I think it's at like 67K views in only like 11 days, from our end to delivery driver. And it was talking about how, they were talking about how, one of them was talking about how she, as a result of the stress, she got cancer and she's still trying to deal with that. Another one had some kind of like bowel cancer. One was like, but both of them were cancer anyway. And it was just like, they were just like encouraging me and thanking me for putting out the video and saying that like the stress is not worth it. Like, somebody else left a comment saying that like, having a job that destroys your mental health and, just diminishes you as a person, it does not worth it, that people have to, like, rather than just thinking about the money, I'm going to make this amount of money, I'm going to earn this or do that, you should think about what is the stress level in getting any job. But nonetheless, guys, I think that you're only limited, like, really by your mindset. Okay, if your mindset is limited, if you feel like you can't make money apart from just breaking your back and just the grind and all of that, then that's where you're gonna be. Okay, I'm a strong believer that you can make money from anywhere. I'm making money just passively. Okay, I set up my course, put it all together, and yeah, I'm able to make money from the comfort of my own home. I don't have to be running around. Yes, I do delivery, but like I said, I don't have to. I have other ways that I'm able to make money apart from having to run around doing delivery. Okay, so I have the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle. I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's only $49.99 for those that, so it's not like anything crazy, and it's very, very power packed. I would say it's very, very information packed. The value is like, it's up the chain, literally teaching you how to literally like run several businesses from the comfort of your own home. You don't have to be stuck. You don't have to be you don't have to answer to anybody. You can literally be your own boss. I have an LLC. I'm an independent contractor. I have a notary business. I have several businesses that I run. Okay. I have a mobile hair business, even though I haven't been doing that as much, but it can teach you how to run any kind of business and make money from your phone as a middleman. So I have a middleman cleaning business, so I'm able to make money from my phone, and I just basically contract with what do you call it, service providers that clean. And when I get customers for them, and I can get customers, like I have a magnet sign on the side of my car, so I can get customers from anywhere. And when they reach out to me, I get the information, and then I dispatch to the service providers that I work with. So I have that business. I have my notary business. So basically, with the middleman business, you can just make money from your phone. You don't have to do anything. So you're basically making money without doing the hard work. Let somebody else do the hard work, and you just sit down and make money. Then I have the Passive Riches Bundle, teaching you how to make money by learning how to market digital products online. Okay, so you can make money passively, just like I did just now, getting a ping from somebody that I don't know, that saw me online, followed me, and yeah, got my course, and they're going to be better for it, smarter for it, richer for it, right? So there's information out here for everybody. But the question is, are you willing to invest in yourself? And with my Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle, this is not investing $1,000 or $500. This is $49.99. This is less than like the trip to a grocery store for like half a cart of groceries or lunch, But I think that a lot of times that we're limited by our mindset. We think that we have to grind and, break down our mental health. That like it's really, really hard to recover, our health. A lot of people are catching cancer from doing all these crazy fields and jobs and that are like almost impossible to do. Like I said, I left nursing several years back and I've never looked back. God has been blessing me with new ideas and just ways to make money without having to, go through so much. I have 3 teenagers, and I try to like guide them in, in the way of freedom, truly, time freedom. And I think the ultimate freedom is location freedom, time freedom, financial freedom. And I believe honestly that if you're able to, market yourself online, and just get that audience, get people to know, like, and trust you, but and I mean, what better way for them to know, like, and trust you, by creating content, talking about your life, talking about your situation. Like, for example, myself, I'm 1 year and 10 months free of the narcissist that I was with. I was able to break free, and I was able to break free not only, well, obviously by the grace of God, I'm a strong believer in God and in Christ, but also because I was able to have financial, some kind of financial, how do I say it, literacy. I was able to have some kind of financial backup, I should say, because like if I was dependent on them like completely, excuse me, how was I going to be able to break free, And I feel there's a lot of women especially that are dependent on a man or a spouse, partner, husband, whatever, boyfriend, financially, and it's like when somebody sees that you're depending on them fully, they're gonna take advantage, So even though I became a registered nurse in 2010, even though I became a registered nurse in 2010, I had a problem with nursing. Obviously, I saw the red flags when I was in nursing school. I passed my NCLEX, started working, and I could never, ever find rest. I was always stressed out. I was always depressed. And it was just like, it was a hard pill to swallow to know that I had sacrificed all this and gotten to something that was breaking me down, that was not good, that was horrible, I mean, shout out to the nurses that are able to, pull through and do it. But I know there's a lot of them are going through a lot of stress. And to me, it's not worth it, I feel that the most important thing is for me to be okay, sound, so that I can be here for my 3 teenagers. I have 3 teenagers that are all in high school, So I feel that having that time freedom, having that financial freedom, having that location freedom, so I can be anywhere. I can post videos, and people can connect with me and purchase my products. I can be anywhere. I can be at home, just like I am right now. Right now, I'm in, like I said, I'm in my study area / bedroom / right, and I'm able to get paid, right? So, I mean, if you are someone that is interested in learning how to make money apart from a 9 to 5, I talked about the other day starting a YouTube channel, but I know that like everybody doesn't have the same schedule. I post twice daily with YouTube. But there are other ways and there are other platforms that you can use to promote your digital products. Instagram, their Facebook, there's so many platforms that you can use and be able to promote and just create that know, like, and trust, because people buy from people that they can know, like, and trust. People buy from people that they can, you know, they can say, okay, you know what, I believe in what she's saying, I believe in what he's saying, right? You know, because you create that connection, you know. That's really what's important, you know. You create that connection. People know more about you, you know. And I feel that with each video, you know, you're talking about yourself, you're talking about what you've been through, you know. People are going to be able to connect. So like I said, the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle, I'm going to leave the link in the description. If you're ready to get started, it's only $49.99. Very, I made it very affordable. But the wealth of information with the 72 different apps that you can get started with in the US base. But if you're in other countries, you can start a middleman business. It teaches you, basically, it guides you on exactly, you know, basically it gives you like the framework of, you know, what you need to get started to start making money from your phone, right? If somebody reaches out to me, I have another phone, which is actually my business phone. Somebody reaches out to me on that phone, and, you know, based on my sign, or they saw some kind of ad or whatever, they reach out to me and they book an appointment. Guess what? That's $100, sometimes $150, right there into my that I can get paid just right off, and then I can deposit I can deposit my money and just send the rest of the job to the people that actually that do it every day. You know, they're very happy to get the business, the leads, right? People pay thousands of dollars for leads. You know, ask Google, you know, Facebook, people doing Facebook ads, you know, they pay thousands, you know, weekly, monthly for leads. Okay. So being someone that can generate leads for local business, you will never run dry, baby. Never. So I'm able to do that. I have my notary business. I have, you know, I have several businesses that I'm able to run. But most importantly, I'm able to make money from my phone. Okay. There's a lot of you that are paying, you're paying for your phone. You're paying your phone bill, and you're paying for maybe your iPhone. Maybe you got the latest iPhone, $1,000 plus that you're paying. And it's like, why not use that same phone and let it pay for itself? You know, let it make money for you passively, you know. And with the Passive Riches Bundle, which is part of the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle, and like I said, everything, the whole package is $49.99. So I don't know. There's like, I mean, it's like a win-win. It's like there's no reason why, you know, one would not invest in getting that knowledge so that they can go to the next level. No, there's no reason, right? So it's just all a mindset thing. You know, a lot of people are locked in that mindset. Like I said, I left nursing. I went to start doing delivery. I learned a lot, you know, while doing delivery, but I didn't just stop there. I saw delivery as a means to an end, not the end. Okay. So it was a means to kind of like, you know, get me some income, like that was more dependable every day. You know, while I invested in myself, learned more skills, learned more, and was able to pull all that knowledge together and create a Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle, you know, make it very affordable for people that are, because I know everybody does not have $500, you know, or even $200 to invest in a course, but most people have $50 to invest, right, in themselves, to better themselves and get better. The Passive Riches Bundle, teaching you how to market, how to market your business, brand yourself on social media. It includes 8 different guides teaching you how to do all of that, including faceless marketing, you know, social media planner, just so many things, you know, teaching you hashtags, branding, all those different things, and it's all completely customizable. Okay, so it comes with not master resale rights, but PLR, private label rights. So if you're saying, well, if I purchase, what do I sell? I don't have anything to sell. You can sell that. You can resell that for complete 100% profit. Okay, put your own links in it. You know, start a YouTube channel, start a Instagram, whatever, and yeah, put your own links in it and talk about it. Just talk about your journey. You don't have to, you know, a lot of people think that you have to be a millionaire to start selling digital products, but you don't have to be. You can start from exactly where you are. Talk about your process. Talk about the fact that you left nursing, or you worked in Amazon, and you worked in a warehouse, and you know you struggled or whatever, and you know you came across this course, you know, and that taught you how to market online, and you know, talk about that, you know, your journey, you know, and people that are in the same place, or in maybe in a lesser place, maybe they're still trying to decide, they're gonna purchase from you, right? Everybody's not in the same place, but what I'm saying here is that You don't have to be stuck. Okay, being stuck is a thing of the past. Being stranded is a mental thing. Okay, you can be sitting right here by your computer just like I was, and have basically daily pay, money dropping into your accounts from people that see your videos and are just ping $49.99, $49.99. I mean, how many payments of $49.99 can you get each day? And by the way, with the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle and the Passive Riches Bundle, which teaches you how to make money with your phone on social media by marketing on social media, or marketing effectively on social media, it has 8 different guides. Okay, now I'm selling everything, you know, for the masterclass for $49.99, but you can sell each guide for whatever amount that you wish. So if you want to sell it for $49.99, $50, $90, that is up to you. Okay, because it's your business. You know, like I said, it's completely customizable. But I mean, what are you waiting for? You know, I mean, this is 2025. You know, a lot of people, I watched a video the other day. You know, I think I even put out the video talking about like how a lot of people are, you know, like are putting their all in their 9 to 5 that can just lay them off and they're back to square zero. You know, why not invest in yourself? I mean, what is $50, you know, to get that knowledge, you know, so that you can be better, do better, have better, you know, and be better able to take care of yourself and save your mental health. Save your mental health, because it's not worth it having a quote unquote high paying job and it's like you're depressed. You have to take medication just to make it a day, right? So that's not worth it, you know. But yep, I'm here chilling in the middle of the day. You know, I'm just sitting at home. Yes, I do delivery, but not every day. You know, I'm not around, I'm not, you know, I'm not breaking my back because I'm working smart, not hard. Okay. You know, so if you, like I said, I left nursing because I couldn't do it anymore. I chose me. Okay. I chose life. You know, like the Bible says, you know, here I place before you blessing and cursing, life and death. Choose life so that you and your children will live. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, if you're interested, get started. The Passive Riches Bundle, everything is all included. How to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income with your card. That's 72 different apps, catering, food, medical delivery, whatever you need. Everything, you know, I made everything. I just made it like just all inclusive for $49.99. So the Multiple Stream Masterclass Bundle will be in the description. I'll leave it there. So if you want to get started, grab it and get started. Okay. This is our year to thrive. Okay. We don't have to make excuses anymore. And just, hey, take the bull by the horns and let's get started. Okay. Please, if you're new to the channel, again, subscribe, join the family. I'm going to be putting out more content to help us out, you know, so that we can all grow and thrive. Leave your comments, like the video, share. And until next time, God bless. Peace.